We don't deal with this life. We don't deal with others as others deal with life, with materialism, with other people. We have a different perspective how to look at things and how to deal with things, because this is normally the great person will not look at silly things, and whenever silly things happen around him, he just keep going without being bothered about those minor things in his life. And this is what Allah Jalla wa Ala wants from us, to keep going until we die and meet him. The tests in this dunya, even the atrocities that are taking place, in Gaza, in Yemen, in other places, this is for us as Muslims, it's just nothing. Yes, we feel the pain, but it is nothing compared to what Allah Jalla wa Ala wants from us, and compared to our mission, our vision, our purpose on this life.